Good morning children. Now I am going to teach you third class social. So previous class we learned about the up in the sky. So the next lesson, second lesson is the earth, our home. So earth is our home. We all are living on the earth. So the life is possible only on the earth. So it is on remaining planets it is not possible. We are not going on living on the other planets. Why? So Earth is also known as the blue planet. So how the life is possible on the Earth? It has air and water. So it is a unique planet in the solar system which has air and water. So the life can be possible. Life is possible on the Earth. So it has a air and water. So it has a layer of, in the previous class already I have taught you the earth, shape of the earth. So it is spherical in shape. So why the life is possible only on the earth? It has air and the water. It has air and the water. A layer of air is surrounded around the earth is known as atmosphere. A layer of air is surrounded around the earth is known as a atmosphere. Atmosphere, a layer of air and water. So earth it has air and water, so the life is possible, and also it has a moderate temperature. So these are some important features of the earth. So the life is possible on the earth. It has a layer of air. The earth is surrounded around the layer of the air is known as atmosphere. It has 3/4 part of earth is covered by water and 1/4 part of earth is covered by land. So 24% of it is covered by land and 76% it is covered by water. It is covered by water. So earth is not too hot and not too cold. It has a moderate temperature. So the life is possible on the earth. It has a moderate temperature. Moderate temperature. Moderate temperature. So the first two planets, Mercury and Venus, they are very hot where they are very close to the sun. So they are very hot. So the third planet is the Earth. It is not very close to the sun and it is not very far. So the planets which are remaining, they are very far to the sun. They are very cold. So the planets which are very near to the sun, Mercury and Venus, they are very hot. But Earth is the only planet. It has a moderate temperature. It do not has too much cold or too much hot. It is either of hot and cold. So these are the main features. The life is possible on the earth. These are the main features of the earth which the life is possible on the earth. Next, the shape of the earth. So the shape of the earth. So in previous class already I taught you the shape of earth was discovered by Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan. He is the Portuguese sailor. Sailor means who goes in the water, who sails in the water. The people who sails in the water is known as a sailor. So Ferdinand Magellan, he is a Portuguese. Portuguese, it is the name of a place which is nearby the Spain. It is nearby Spain. So Ferdinand Magellan, he is a Portuguese sailor. He started one day. He started sailing to one point and sailed and proved that and reached the same point. By this he proved that the earth is spherical in shape and he described that The earth is like orange. So have you seen the orange? It is flattened at the north pole. It is flattened at the north pole and the south pole. So Ferdinand Magellan, he sails. He takes 3 years to reach the same point. He has taken 3 years to reach the same point. So by this he can say that the earth is round and spherical in shape. He compares the earth with orange. That why? Because it is flattened at the north and the south pole. So many photographs have taken from space and proved that the earth is spherical in shape. So next one, globe. So globe is known as a model of the earth. Globe is known as a model of the earth. It shows the accurate shape and the size of the continents and the water bodies. Next one, map. Globe. Globe. Globe is a model of the earth. What is globe? A globe is a model of the earth. So being at one place, we can know about the other countries and the water bodies. So only half part of the globe can be shown to us. So remaining it goes back. So a part of the earth can be seen from by the globe. A part of the earth can be seen by the globe. Globe is a model of the earth. Model of the earth. So by the globe we can know about the oceans and the continents. The huge land masses are known as continents and the water bodies. The oceans are the water bodies. So accurate. By using the globe we can learn about the accurate shape and the size of the continents. So globe is a model of the earth. Model of the earth. So map. Map is a representation of the earth surface. So a part of the earth which is drawn on the flat surface area. A part of the earth which is drawn on the flat surface area. So what is map? A part of the earth is drawn on the flat surface of area. So by using the maps, even the small places also can be find out through the map. So map is more useful than the globe. So map is more useful than the globe. Map. Representation. Representation of the earth surface. Earth surface drawn on flat area. Flat area. So map is more useful than the globe. Next one is directions. How can we know the direction? At olden days, the sailors they use the compass. So compass is a model of watch. It appears same as a watch, but it has a needle, magnetic needle. Always it points out towards the north. So the compass which appears as it has a magnetic needle. It has a magnetic needle. So it has a magnetic needle. At the center of it, always the compass points out the north pole. Always the compass points out the north pole. So the sailors they use a compass. So when they turn the direction, so always the compass shows the north. So remaining directions can be easily find out. So when we know about the north, or easily the remaining directions can be find out. Compass is a magnetic It appears as a watch, but it has a magnetic needle. Always the needle points out the North Pole. Always the needle points out the North Pole. So the sailors, they use the magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. So to find out the direction, the sailors, they use the magnetic compass. It appears as a watch. Always the magnetic needle, it indicates the North Pole. Always it indicates the North Pole. So easily we can identify the remaining directions. So at the right side we say that is the east, and the west side at the west of left of your hand can say is the west, and right side, so we can locate as a east, and left side we can locate as a west. So easily the right directions can be find out. Next one, oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. There are 5 oceans. What are they? Oceans. Oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. There are 5 oceans. There are 5 oceans in the world. How many oceans? 5 oceans. What are they? First one, Pacific Ocean. Indian Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. And Antarctic Ocean. And Antarctic Ocean. How many oceans are there, children? There are 5 oceans in the world. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. So totally how many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. 7 continents. The huge land masses are known as continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents in the world. What are they? Asia. Our India is located in the Asia continent. Asia, second, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. How many continents are there, children? There are 7 continents. What are they? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So there are 7 continents in the world. How many oceans are there? The huge water bodies are known as oceans. The small water bodies, they are known as rivers, lakes and seas. So the huge water bodies, oceans. How many oceans are there in the world? There are 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. Okay, now children. So today's work, write the oceans and continents. Homework. Write the oceans and continents. And continents 2 times. So learn and write, children. Learn and write the oceans and the continents. Okay, children. Thank you.